Okay, quick little recap here. Monday did trigger into some 157.5 calls, rode it up all the way up to my target on Tuesday. Closed out the majority of my position though on Monday, locked in some profits, and into Tuesday did complete the trade and locked in at least enough profit to make me happy for the week. So I didn't trade anymore after that move there into Tuesday at the highs. No real reason, just wasn't really available to day trade as much as I'm still traveling. Now, coming into the end of the week here, we did have a pretty massive sell-off there. It did pierce below the gap up from the earnings, so it could potentially look like somewhat of an island top. The 30-minute candle pattern over here, 1 hour as well, kind of resembles a head and shoulders, but right now I'm going to stay bullish as it is still above the 821 and 50-day moving averages. And I'm going to use those levels as my supports. I don't see anything as far as a breakout type of trade. True strength will push it back up through this previous sell-off level of about 159. There's also going to be some bears waiting there, so that'll be a battleground to watch going forward. I might as well go ahead and throw a line on there just so I know that it is there. But what I'm going to look for initially on the open for Monday is a support entry right around 157 versus stop just below there, depending on what kind of candle and volume forms here on the open. May trigger in right at the open, may wait 5, 15 minutes, whatever, and see if I can catch another day and a half move. Uh, Secondary entry is going to be down here around 154. This is going to correspond to about this gap over here as well as these highs, which also corresponds to the 21-day exponential moving average, which at the time of the open on Monday, as long as it doesn't open up extremely low, should open up around 154-ish and provide at least some technical support there. If that fails, then I'll just simply get out of the way and wait. It'll likely come back down all the way to 150 just to see if it tests it there again. So I'm going to go ahead and throw these on there as well. With all the news that's going on around the world, it is possible that the market does actually continue to sell off. Just fear and uncertainty. You never know what's really going to happen. So just going to have to keep that in mind going forward. This essentially is going to be my trade plan for Monday, hoping for another day and a half move for some good profits, and I don't have to trade anymore for the rest of the week. A confirmation above this candle from Friday will at least imply that bears are going to get trapped in this trade and have to close their positions, which could lead to another high. Vice versa, there could also be bulls whose stops are down here below 155.90, which could also lead to another low all the way down here on the 21, maybe even the 50-day simple moving average. So keeping those levels in mind, this is going to be my trade plan going forward. We'll see what happens, and good luck.